Hey guys, um, good evening all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone guys, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible guys?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay, right. So I think some of you have attended the last session guys. I think I can see some names which I have seen yesterday. And maybe some of you have joined for the today's class. If today is your first class also, don't worry. So only one introduction class. So just I didn't started with any practicals also, but like how the AI tools, why you guys, not you guys, everyone nowadays has to learn at least some basic AI tools we have to learn, guys. Some AI tools, not all AI tools. There are thousands of AI tools are there. We don't require to learn all the type of AI tools. Some AI tools which we require. Sir, where we can use this, where we can use this particular AI tools? Yes, both in our, which is going to be in your workplace. As I said that, which is going to be in workplace. So in our workplace, what is the main purpose of using the AI tools? So as you know that we have to, before using an AI tools in your, which is going to be at workplace, we have to be very careful about that. Why? Because you know that you have seen some news recently. Some companies has they have fired some employees from the company when they have used some AI tools to write some code. We should not use the AI tools for writing the code. Generally, coding and all these things we have to do, but some kind of an AI tools. Even some companies are recommending to use some specific AI tools. Like I can tell you, right? In workplace, what we can do is, guys, some examples I can tell you in your workplace what we can use. So in workplace, let us say writing some email, writing some kind of an email. For example, you want to write an email to your manager or to email to a client. So yesterday we have seen how my I have used one tool to write an email with a very efficient way. I have written it. So by using some kind of an generally, if you want to write, you can. It will take some time. You can also write an email, guys. Effectively, we can write the email, but productivity just it is going to take only just not even 1 minute of time. It has taken to write an email. So just give some write an email to whom you want to write and like what is the purpose of writing the email, etc. Or some kind of an which is going to be a lot of things we can do. So somebody has written some email, guys. A very lengthy email was there. Very lengthy email was there. I want to summarize it, guys. So I want to do some kind of an text summarizations. I want to do some kind of an text summarizations. We can do that. So somebody has sent a email. I don't have a time. That means I don't want to read the entire which is going to be document. What is the final summary of that? Like for example, you know that, right? For example, in Amazon, we are having some kind of an which is nothing but some kind of an the reviews will be there, guys. So the product reviews, who is going to write the product reviews, guys? The customers will write the product reviews. Some people will write in a short, some people will write a very lengthy. But final, what is the summary of that? That's why if you see nowadays in Amazon, we can see some every product we have a product review is there, some kind of a product summarization is there. They gives a clear indication saying that this is a text which was generated by an AI machine. The text was generated by some AI. So what it is going to do is it will summarize all the which is going to be the reviews which is written by the customers. After giving some summarization, total summarization can be done with the help of some kind of a text summarizations. What we can do. So client has sent some let us say that some our customer has sent a which is going to be an email describing what is going to be his let us say that what is his review on a particular product. So no need to read all the entire document, just summary. So whether it is positive, whether it is negative, whether it is neutral. So that kind of an text summarizations can be done. Lot of things, guys. You can do a lot of things. For example, let us say that there is one meeting has been held. There is a meeting has been held. Let us say that you didn't attended the meeting. For some reason, you didn't attend the meeting. The meeting recording is available as a video. It was available. Now, what is that? Because it is a, let us say, 1 hour meeting is there. Now, you need not to go through that 1 hour meeting, guys. You need not to go through that particular 1 hour meeting. We need not to go for. So totally what is going to be the summary of that particular video? It's not only at your workplace. For example, you are learning something from Udemy or you are learning something from a YouTube. Let us read, guys. For example, there is one video was there. So generally everyone faces this problem, guys. So I want some topic to learn. For example, there is a video is there. In that video, which is going to be where is the topic? There is a lengthy topic is there. Let us say 1 hour video or 1.5 hour video is there. So from that, I want to take only some specific topic I require it. So where is that particular topic, at which time span or at which timeline it was available. So I want to know about that, all that particular timestamps, the time spans, all these things I want to know. So at this particular time, it is going to be, this is the, what is the topic that was there. At this particular time, this is going to be some topic will be there. I'll show you some examples for that. I'll show you some examples for that. Practically, again, we'll discuss about this in the later classes, guys. So let me show you some small videos I'm going to show you guys. Let me open the YouTube. Let me check for which is going to be, just give me a second. Let me check for which is going to be, what I'm going to do is, this is going to be nothing but, I say, a generative AI session by Vamsi Krishna. So I have some demos will be there, guys. I'll conduct some demos will be there. So this is a demo. So I just want to know the, what is the summary of this video. So what I discussed in this video. Okay. So if you want, I can share the audio also to you so that you can also hear, the audio also of the video. So I'll share the audio also, guys. Let me share the audio. Anyone who has joined from the previous class, that means who has already, okay. Can you observe carefully here, guys? There is something called as then generate some summary here now. Your system won't have it, guys. So it is saying clearly, read the summary to save, which is going to be 23 minutes of, which is going to be read the summary. How much minutes of time, guys? 46 minutes of time. The video was there. You can save, which is going to be read some summary to save 23, which is going to be the minutes of time. So I can say generate, which is going to be summary, guys. See there? So it is generating some summary of that particular tool. So yesterday's video was also available, guys. If anyone has missed the yesterday's class, guys, AI tools tutorial by Vamsi Krishna on 17/11/2025, the video was also available. Our backend team also will share you the details, guys. They will share you this particular video also to you. You can get the recording video also, guys. Okay, fine. So see there, it is going to be generating some kind of an, which is going to be summary. It is generating. It is generating some kind of a summary, guys, but it may take some kind of a time it is going to take it. See there, which is going to be, I'm just asking to generate some kind of a transcript. So at which particular point of time, so what is the topic is there? So see there, it is totally generating, which is going to be the timestamp, which is going to be at what topic was there, at which is going to be at which particular point of time. So there is going to be something like I'm talking about. So it is going to be something I'm talking about that. You can see, which is going to be something like what we can see. So each and every minute to second. So what topic I have been getting discussed, it is generating some transcript of that. So if you want, you can also search in the transcript. So where I'm talking about something called as an AI tools. So where, at what topic, at what time I have been discussing about some kind of an AI tools is going to be there. So something like this. So these are the timestamps, or these are the timestamps where I have used this particular, what we can see about the AI. Something like what is going to be some kind of an roles, or what is going to be, I just want to know what is going to be the job opportunities. So I just want to know what are the job opportunities are there. I don't know at what time I discussed about the job opportunities. So I have to just verify. So which is going to be nothing but, you can see at 4 minutes, at 9 minutes, at 41 minutes, you can see that. So directly go to the 41st minute, guys. Directly the video jumps to the 41st minute. It is directly jumping there. Isn't it? So it's not that you need to learn this. So you are making your learning very faster instead of going through the entire document or to entire whatever that particular 40 minutes or 47 minutes video was there. So instead of reading or instead of going through all the 46 minutes of video, you can do some kind of a video summarization, guys. Right. So some kind of an writing of emails. So kind of an some kind of an text summarizations, or for example, what is going to be the so simple, we'll call it as, guys, which is going to be whatever that particular minutes of meetings. So what type of what the meeting has been a meeting was conducted. So in the meeting, what they have been got discussed. So what is going to be the minutes in the meeting? So they want to know about that. So like this, guys, you can use your tools in your, which is going to be your workplace. You can use it. Only thing is to improve your productivity. So starting from writing an email, a kind of an text summarizations. So what is going to be the meeting summary, a meeting which is going to be summary. Anything you can write it, guys. Anything you can do as part of your productivity. Or as of that, apart from that, I told you that it is based on your creativity, which is going to be nothing but your personal interest also. We can do that. So some people will learn this one for some kind of an personal interest is going to be there. Even in your learning, which is going to be in as part of your learning also, guys, you can use a lot of AI tools are there. So yesterday I showed you one small example. So your chat GPT can act like an interviewer. So just like which is going to be like a voice chat. It's not like a voice command, but just like an interactivity will be done. So you can, it will ask you the questions, answer it, and it will also explain you. So just you can go here, guys. Yesterday I just shown you. So nothing is there. Normally, you know that everyone knows about how to use chat GPT, but use it in an effective way, guys. That is what I mean to say, that everyone knows how to use chat GPT. So go to the chat GPT and ask what is going to be, what is the importance of AI tools. So instead of asking like that, so when you say what is importance of AI tools in our real life, or what is the importance of AI tool, or what is the usage of AI tools in our, which is going to be workplace. Just give me a minute. It is taking some time. Okay. What happened? Please unbox challenges cloudflare.com to proceed. Why? Just give me a second. Is it doing any blocking? Why it is doing this unblocking? Okay. So leave it for the timing, guys. I'll just verify. Like maybe it is going to be doing some kind of a blocking. So challenges dot, which is going to be Cloudflare. Okay. Leave it for the timing. We'll do one thing. We'll just once again verify that. So it may be some blocking, something, it has been security issue. Okay. Leave it for the timing, guys. I'll again re-verify that and I will do that. So as part of our personal interest also, guys. So it is going to be, as I said, that some people will have an interest. So like some kind of an video generations. We are having a lot of things, guys. We have seen a lot of, everyone will having an interest. So after watching some AI videos in internet, so everyone will have their own thoughts. So which is going to be, I want to generate some kind of a videos, or I want to generate some kind of an images, you want to generate it, image generation, something. We can use it, guys. So even we can also create some kind of an at workplace. So kind of an which is going to be presentations we can create it, guys. So I think you have seen some lot of ads will come. See this AI, these particular AI training academies, they will post a lot of which is going to be videos in the Instagram, or in the which is going to be YouTube Shorts, or it may be something like an Facebook. So they will say there is going to be some ad is going to be the ads that shows that. So can you prepare this particular, how much time you are going to take this take the time to create this PPT? They says that, sir, it is going to be 5 minutes of time. How it is possible? Because I'm using some AI tools. So some kind of an creating of some kind of an presentations, etc. We can use, guys. So video generation, image generation. So there are so many creativity which is going to be some kind of an creativities we can use it, guys. So creativity is like a personal interest. So their personal interest and their personal hobbies also they can use them. So which is going to be a lot of which is going to be creativity tools are going to be there. You can use them, guys. So either at your workplace to increase your increase your productivity, or for basically for a personal interest. So with your creativity also, we can use this particular AI tools what we can use. So there are a lot of tools are there, but which are going to be generally, as I'm not saying that if you learn AI tools, we are going to get a, which is going to be, you are going to get a jobs and all these things. So let us verify. Just go to naukri.com. Let us go to naukri.com, guys. So nowadays, there is not directly job recruitment on the AI tools, but for every role, nowadays they are asking about, do you have an idea about any AI tools? So let us say that you are recruited for some particular role. So in that particular role, can I use some kind of an creativity? Can you use some kind of an AI tools? Let us verify what is going to be AI tools. Let us have some kind of an which is going to be some AI tools. I'm not talking about AI. AI means again all that data science, AI, all these are going to be gets coming there. So these are different, guys. AI and ML engineer means there are different. So there are machine learning, AI. Those are going to be something like this. So we don't find any kind of an which is going to be jobs readily on the AI tools. But obviously for every role, for example, if we are working as a marketing manager, if you want. So in marketing also we have to require some AI tools. Just an example, guys. Just we'll try to find out what is going to be, let us say, marketing managers. So whenever you go for marketing managers or digital marketing or online marketing, so are you using any, do you have any idea about any kind of an AI tools? Maybe or may not be. I can't guarantee that. It is going to be some kind of an AI tools are going to be maybe required, guys. So open some kind of an which is going to be some kind of an tools, some kind of a jobs. So I'm not guaranteed that you have to require, but so generally nowadays the companies are asking for, do you have any idea about some kind of an AI tools? And all these things are going to be gets required there. So they're not posting them, but they don't post them as part of their job requirement. But some kind of an when you go for an interviews and all these things, they may ask them. So do you have any idea about some kind of an marketing strategies? Do you have any idea about AI tools? So something like that, they may be asking about some kind of a tools they're asking about that, or some kind of an which is going to be digital marketing, or which is going to be some kind of an digital marketing if you want to go for. So do you have any idea about some kind of an, so marketing managers, okay, digital marketing managers there will be using, so digital targeting marketing managers, obviously they use some kind of an AI tools and all these things they can use them. So I'm not saying that which is going to be some types of tools they will be using, some kind of an AI tools and all these things, SEO optimizations. So maybe they require, guys, they require some kind of an AI tools are going to be gets required. So depending on their role and depending on their whatever the responsibility is, they require, guys. So here also we are learning, but it's not for any job opportunities or getting a jobs here now. This is just an idea. Even yesterday, I shown you some examples. So many people does not, when I ask the people, how do you use ChatGPT means, they are saying that we'll ask the question, it is going to answer that. But you can create a lot of things from the ChatGPT. Even you can see a lot of ads we can see. And I think many of the people uses this statement, guys. One popular statement from Elon Musk. So everyone is worried about, sir, are you going to lose the job? Once the AI tools comes, are you going to lose the job? So the Elon Musk has tweeted one statement. So AI does not takes the AI does not takes away your job. But who is going to take away your job? The person who knows how to use AI, he is going to take away the jobs. So you need not to worry about AI. We have to worry about the person who knows how to work with AI. So basically, we'll have to understand, as you know that, right? Whenever we go for ChatGPT, normally everyone is asking a question. I think all of you have heard about nowadays what is going to be prompt engineering. So we have seen a lot of ads on the prompt engineering also. So yes, we'll also discuss about, simply if you ask a question directly. So what is our response? What is our response? What we are expecting from ChatGPT? So there are going to be some different types of prompts will be there. Later we are going to discuss about that, but I'm going to discuss what are the different types of prompts. How do you give the prompts to the chat GPT so that we are expecting some output in the clear way. So whatever the output we have given, so based on the whatever the output you require, if you specify them, automatically we are going to get it. So what is your tone, whether you want to have a professional way or whether it is going to be a friendly manner you want to get the response. So all these things we can define them, guys. That is what we call it as tone. So what is your tone? What is your output you require? So something like that. What is going to be the constraints if you want to remit anything like that? So we are having a lot of things are there. So we have to discuss about those particular applications. So I'm not going to discuss about a specific topics are there, but even you can see, let us go to the topics also, guys. Once we'll also get some idea about that. Go to durgasofт onlinetraining.com, and there you will have some kind of an batches will be there. Then the batches you can find the AI tools batch will be there. The topics will be there, guys. The content will be there. So just to get some idea what I'm going to do that. So where is that? Here. So these are the AI tools, guys. Here we can see the course content will be available. So you can just go through the course content and you can see, guys. So just a very short time, as I already said that. So it is going to be theme, which is going to be from awareness to master building some AI, which is going to be superpowers. Audience, students, job seekers, educators, professionals, content creators, anyone you can use. Live demo, which is going to be case studies and all these things. And our focus is mainly on this particular 4 topics mainly, guys. 4 to 5 topics. Text to text, text to speech, text to images, text to videos. If we give the text, it will generate a text. If we give a text, we are going to get a which is going to be what we can say text to speech. You give a text, it will generate the speech. You give the text, it will generate the image. You give the text and it is going to create a video. So resume and which is going to be an email automation. How to do that and all these things we are going to work with that. So see this category already said that T2T, which is nothing but text to text to images, text to which is going to be speech, and text to video, guys. Some introduction to ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud A, Meta AI, and how to write the prompt basic. As I said that no, guys, which is going to be prompt writing basics are there. How we have to, not completely, but it is going to be what are the types of the prompts and what is going to be type of the techniques and all these things we are going to cover. So which is going to be text generation and summarization. I said that no, you can do some kind of a text summarization. So text rewriting, summarization, translation, hands-on with which is going to be ChatGPT or a DeepSeek or a Cloudy. So some kind of an block generation practices. We can generate some kind of a blocks. So after that, we are going to discuss about AI for presentations. So using some kind of an gamma. Okay, creating some kind of an slide decks with some kind of a prompts. Build a 5 slide, which is going to be pitch deck is going to be how to create some kind of an AI presentations. AFR, which is going to be image creation, guys, like Midjourney, DALI. So these are all capable to generate some images with the help of the, which is going to be the text, whatever we give it, guys. So AI for video creations, ADO for voice and music, AFR, for example, some kind of a research. It's very simple, guys. Hardly it's 3-4 days, 3-4 weeks of which is going to be time. AI for research, which is going to be Perplexity, Google AI Studio, Notebook LLM, or Notebook LLM, it is going to be LM we are going to be using. So like this, guys, we are going to work with which is going to be some kind of a research we are going to do for AI. A for which is going to be content creation also, guys. A for education and learning, as I said that, which is going to be creating some kind of an chat GPT applications. A for education and for learning also, guys. So kind of a resume creations and all these things, we are going to work with them. So how to, which is going to be optimize your LinkedIn profile with the help of AI. So as I said that even for which is going to be A for business and marketing also we are going to use. And obviously some ethics and responsibilities also we have to require them, guys. We'll see about those particular applications and some kind of an grand recap and what is going to be showcases of some kind of an application, guys. So just it is going to be day 16 to 20. We are going to discuss about some multiple use cases and student presentation. So I'll give you some tasks. So you have to do some kind of a presentation. So like I'll give you some kind of a task, like depending on the number of participants. So this kind of a task you have to do, or these type of presentations you have to create it, or these types of videos you want to create it. So these are going to be the topics are there. You can go to the online website and there you can find out whatever the contents we are going to discuss about that. So even the same topics, guys, but beyond that, day by day, new topics will come. And even we are going to learn about different types of tools. Not all the tools, because there are so many tools are in every criteria. We have a different types of tools are there, guys. So do you want to generate the videos means a lot of tools are there. Do you want to generate an audios? There are a lot of files are there. A lot of options are there. So we'll try to utilize, guys, which is going to be hardly 20 days program. So they said that it is going to be 20 days, but hardly totally it is going to be 1 week of time. Sorry, 1 month of time, guys, totally. So hardly one month you can become some expertise on AI tools. At least you will get some idea, guys. Everyone knows about how to use ChatGPT, but how to use it in efficient way. So we are going to learn as part of our training programs. So video generation, image generations, creativity, some kind of an mixing up audios. You can generate some kind of an audio and which is going to be video generations. You see some videos in online now, guys. There is some videos will be there like Trump. There is going to be a video of Trump, but the voice is going to be different. The voice is going to be different, or the Trump audio only. The Trump audio and the video also belongs to Trump only, but we are going to give a content which was not delivered by, which was not given by Trump itself. You give your own text, clone the which is going to be Trump audio, and video will be there, and give some kind of a create. It's a kind of a creativity, guys. It's not that any job opportunities or something like that. You can post if some people who are interested to post some which is going to be in the YouTube shorts or something like, and which is going to be the what we can see, whatever you want, Instagrams. If you want to post them, you can post them, guys. So it increases your creativity and it increases your which is going to be you can your personal interest. You can generate such kind of a thing, learning as part of your work environment, as part of your personal interest. Must and should you have to learn, guys. Obviously nowadays everyone is preferring to use the AI tools mainly to improve their productivity mainly. So everything they want to do it very faster. I shown you also. So how I'm using my AI tools, how I use this AI tools, how I use the chat GPT. So whenever a new things comes, whenever I want to debug anything, I prefer, guys, chat GPT. I'll use as I'm going to use as very frequently. I'm going to use as a chat GPT. So some issues will come, guys, while I'm debugging. So I'm as a freelancer, so I don't have any restriction to use it. So during some my AI training program, if any issues will come, immediately I'll ask the chat GPT. So it will give you the recommendation. According to that, I'm going to debug it and go for. And even some learnings also I'm going to do with the help of chat GPT. So many things up to now, guys. I learned a lot of things using chat GPT. Any new topic I can learn. I don't use that Udemy's and all these things. If I want to learn any topic, everything I can learn, complete course, I can learn it from complete generative AI course. I can learn from the chat GPT. I don't require to buy any Udemy videos, or I don't require to go through anything. So how I learn all these things with the help of chat GPT only, guys. Everything. If I ask the chat, which is going to be, it will teach me, guys. The chat GPT itself is going to teach us me the complete, which is going to be the generative AI course. So you have to convert like this, guys. You have to utilize like that. Simply not just like on the answering, asking a question, and which is going to be answers the question here now. Yesterday I told you, right, guys? There is going to be user voice mode is there. User which is going to be voice mode. It can also speak in every language, guys. It can also speak in any language you can see. So I'm just saying that I want to go for which is going to be, I want to tell a story in which is going to be some creativity. If you want, we can do. So add up, which is going to be use the voice mode. You can use a different voices what we can use, and you can translate everything into which is going to be the Telugu language or Hindi or Tamil, whatever your native language. If you want to explain, you can explain, guys. So just let us ask it, guys. Can you explain what is the usage of AI tools in our daily life in Telugu?
ఖచ్చితంగా మన రోజువారీ జీవితంలో ఏఐ టూల్స్ అనేవి చాలా చోట్ల ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఉదాహరణకు మనం ఫోన్లో వాయిస్ అసిస్టెంట్లు వాడటం, సమాచారం సులభంగా వెతకడం, వ్యక్తిగత సిఫార్సులు పొందడం వంటి పనుల్లో ఏఐ సహాయం చేస్తుంది. అలాగే ట్రాన్స్లేషన్లు చేయడం లాంటివి కూడా దాని ఉపయోగంలో భాగమే.
So can you tell me some AI tools which I can use it for generating of videos for free?
చాలా మంచి ప్రశ్న. ఉచితంగా వీడియోలు సృష్టించడానికి కొన్ని ఏఐ టూల్స్ అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి.
Please
ఉదాహరణకు
convert into English.
Sure, switching to English. So, as I was saying, there are a few free AI tools out there for generating videos. For example, platforms like Runway ML can help you create videos using AI, and they often have free tiers or free trials you can start with.
Okay, so can I generate some audio with the help of AI tools?
Absolutely, you can. There are plenty of AI tools that help you generate audio as well.
Hi, glad to meet you.
Hello.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you. Hey, I'm ready.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind.
So like this, you can utilize it, guys. I'm closing it.
Got it. Sounds like you're wrapping things up. If you need any more help or if
Right. So can you see, guys, this is going to be one of the option what I can utilize. I think you have heard the audio in the background also. So we can use, for example, I can say, which is going to be I want to create some like a generative AI course. I want to generate it. So I want to generate it, guys. So I'm a trainer. So I'm saying that I'm a trainer, for example. So I'm a trainer. Okay, I want to generate, please, I'm a trainer. I was a AA trainer, I say. I'm an AA trainer. I'm an AA trainer. So you can ask it, guys. I'm an AA trainer, which is going to be, I want to generate, I want to teach. I want to teach, just a minute. I want to teach something about, I want to teach about something like about LLMs. You may not be aware about LLMs to the, which is going to be to the participants. To the, which is going to be participants. So you can ask it, guys. So what I want to do is generate a which is going to be generate a simple, which is going to be a course curriculum, which is going to be a course curriculum. Even you can, if you don't want to type them, you can also have a voice mode is there. So which is going to be some kind of a course curriculum. It's going to be course curriculum. Okay, spelling mistakes, we can ignore them, does not matters. Create a simple course curriculum for which is going to be for freshers to understand which is going to be what is generative AI. So that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do is I can use I'm going to be using for my context, I'm going to use like this. So it is going to be a generative AI LLMs beginner course curriculum. So duration is for 2 to 3 days for 10 to 12 hours of training, audience, students, freshers with no prior AI knowledge. Outcome is nothing but understanding generative AI concepts, LLMs, prompts, and basic handles of hands-on usage. So what is AI, traditional AI versus generative AI, real cases, examples of generative AI, foundations of large language models, okay, prompt engineering basics, whatever you want to do that, practical applications of generative AI. I told you, right? Text generation, summarization, translation, code generation, image generation, audio and video generations, overview of tools, Gen AI in education, business and healthcare and marketing. Try two tools, ChatGPT for text, Hugging Faces, or Google image generation, Light for which is going to be images. Building some simple projects with generative AI. Total everything it has been given, guys. Totally everything. The course curriculum itself has been got given. If you want, I can also generate a slides for which is going to be each module. I'm asking, guys, which is going to be create the slides. Create the slides for each module. I'm asking to create it. So it can create the complete slides. It is going to create for each module. It is going to create them. So I can use this particular one. So my work is becoming very easy. I don't know how the other people will use as the ChatGPT, but I use this very effectively, guys. So with that knowledge only, I was able to, which is going to be deliver this particular AI tools training program. So directly it has been got generated. Download GenAI beginner course code slide.pd the PPT file. So it generated a PPT file, guys. This is a PPT file. So open that. I didn't given anything, guys. Simple I have been given. So total, what is going to be, if you want, we can customize it also. I can customize it on all these things, what we can do that. So this is the way how it has been got created. I can add up a little bit more. This is not sufficient. I can add up, I can edit that, and I can do whatever I want to do that. So something like this, you can utilize the particular tools for your, which is going to be for your professional or for the personal purpose also. You can utilize all these kind of tools what we can use, guys. Okay. So every day there is a 1 hour class will be there, guys. It is from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. because our introduction classes I'm not taking much time. And I think also the recorded videos also will be available to you. All the recorded videos will be available. Day-to-day recording will be available. Coming to material, guys, we don't have any that much material, but we have some few materials are there, guys. And you know that, right? Once you are using AI tools, nowadays no one is asking about, previously the students used to ask me, sir, can you give me some FAQs? Or sir, can you give me some sample resumes? It's not required, guys. Ask the ChatGPT. For example, I want to say, which is going to be, I want a sample resume, which is going to be sample resume on which is going to be AI tools, for example. So automatically it is going to create some kind of an sample resume. It is going to be created by itself only. So who is going to ask you now, guys? No need to ask anybody. So it is going to be sample. Sir, if you want to show an AI tools specialist, some example, Rahul Sharma, something Rahul Sharma at the rate, which is going to be example.com, phone number, LinkedIn profile, what is your portfolio or GitHub, which is going to be. So it is itself is generating. So skill summaries are going to be there, a productive automation. So what type of projects you have been handed, a resume generator using ChatGPT. What is your education? What are your certifications? What are the tools you are having the idea about that? What are your strengths? everything is there. So the assume we want to generate a PDF document for that. Yes, I want to generate a PDF document for that, or simple. So generate a PDF document. So I want a PDF version. I want to require it, guys. So itself is going to generate a PDF file just within a few seconds of time. So we're not writing anything at all. So create your resumes, you create your, I do a lot of which is going to be these one, guys. So conducting some kind of a test. So easily I can generate them, guys. So see AI tools, download AI tool sample resume is there. So it is going to be the resume is created, open it. Over. So now even if any students ask me the resumes, I'll create like this one. Now nobody is asking about that. Why? Because everything they can find in the, which is going to be online, they can find out. So instead of giving from my side, better systems, these AI tools will do a better than me, right? So itself is going to give a better than me. So give your resumes and say that optimize the resume. So make some required customizations, whatever the changes you require. The AI tools can do everything by itself only. Okay. So every day-to-day recording is available, guys. All these 25 days of videos will be available. It is available in the Google Drive. They'll give the access. There is no soft copy material, but a small materials are there, guys. 1 or 2 files are there about the prompting and all these things. I'll just give you those particular materials through the Google Drive. You can access that, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's session, guys. Today is my second demo session. Maybe I'll take a one more third demo session, guys. So maximum tomorrow will be the last demo. After that, we'll start with our regular classes. So before starting with the regular classes, you have to register. The fee amount, you know that it's just a 3,000. It's only for learning of AI tools. It's a very short course. So it does not gives you any new job opportunities, but it is going to increase your which is productivity. You can increase you can make it a more effectively. Your learning or your teaching skills or creative skills, you can improve a little bit better, guys. Okay. So that's it from my side, guys, for the today's session. So if we have any questions, guys, I can just clarify your questions and we can end up the session for today, guys. Right? Anyone, if you have any questions, guys? Yes, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to discuss. No questions, guys? No one having any questions? Okay, then. That's it for the today's session, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow, same time and same link. And tomorrow will be the last free demo, guys. And from Thursday onwards, tomorrow is Wednesday, right? From Thursday onwards, the link will changes. You guys need to register to continue with the paid sessions, guys. Okay, fine. Anyone? Any questions, guys?
Yeah, hi.
Yes,
Are
please.
you able to hear me?
Yes, Anil. Yeah.
So a few minutes before you have generated one PPT, right? With
Mhm.
only single lines. If I want explanation for, say for
Yes.
example, variables are there in Python variables.
Oh,
Just give me
yes.
an example. I
Yes,
want a
yes.
PPT for the whole Python course with explanation.
Yes, absolutely we can do that. Absolutely we can do that. But for that, we'll use some techniques we are going to use. So this is going to be some kind of an canvas. Just I'm not generating because the entire Python course, but let us say that I'm talking about variables, right? So I'm just which is going to be create a presentation, which is going to be presentation. Let us say that explaining, which is going to be explaining, for example, explaining about which is going to be explaining about which is going to be the variables in, for example, in Python. So let us say that which is going to be variables in Python. So it is going to create a presentation. So it is creating something. Okay. Python variables presentation. Okay, it is creating. So I think we didn't given the prompt properly. So that is the reason why it has been given. Okay, no worries. Just we'll see.
No hurry, no hurries. If you are going to cover later also.
Yeah. We are going to cover them. It depends. See, it is only nothing but your own creativity. See, this is our own creativity, what we have to do that. So some kind of this one. So you want to customize them. So we can add up. So I can see there is on the left hand side, there is a prompt is there. So I want to add some animations. So I say, which is going to be add animations. Itself is giving the recommendations. Do you want this? Do you want to do this? So I said, which is going to be add animations. See, on the left hand side, I given the prompt, right hand side, it is going to modify that. So it is going to be doing some kind of a modification. So later we'll see it may do some errors, how to debug and all these things. Some errors are coming. So I can say some kind of a debug them. All these things we can do. But we can do, which is going to be the same technique what we are going to work on that. So it will add some animation. We can create some kind of a visualizations. But anyhow, do you want to go for a presentations? I'm going to use something like which is going to be different AI tools are there. So we have something called as a napkin dot, which is going to be the AI is available. So this is one better for creating of presentations. We'll create them. So, but we are going to cover up them. So all these things, how to create it, what exactly we want to do, all these things we can cover up as part of the application. So this is a presentation which I created there with some images and all these things, what I have created there.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Okay. Thank
Fine.
you.
Right. Anyone else, guys? Okay, then that's it for the today's session, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.